Next, another basic gate is AND gate. Here, this is the symbol of AND gate. In the AND gate symbol. Just before I write OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. Here, straight one. Here also, two inputs, only one output. Input name A, input name B, output name Y. Okay. Here, this is the AND gate, y equal to AB. What is the Boolean expression? Y equal to AB. Here also, AND gate contains two inputs and only one output. Only one output. OR gate also two inputs, only one output. Here, y equal to A into B. What is the Boolean expression for AND gate? Y equal to AB. In the previous, what is the Boolean expression for OR gate? Y equal to A plus B. Again, truth table. What is the truth table, Nana? Truth table. Here, in the truth table, inputs and outputs are tabulated. That table is called truth table. Y equal to AB. Here, A value 0, 0, 0, 1. Inputs none. Because logic gates are based on Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra contain only two numbers. Okay? Here none. Here, A into B, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay? This is the truth table now. 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay? Simply, this is the truth table now for AND gate. This truth table can be explained by using switches to see here. This is the switch A, this is the switch B, this is the battery plus minus. Output is measured at bulb. Okay? Actually bulb not glow 0, bulb glow 1. Okay? Here current flows plus 2 minus here in this way. Here the first option I verified truth table. Both the inputs taken 0, 0. 0, 0 means A is open, B is open. Current does not flow in the open circuit. Bulb does not glow. That means finally not glow means output is 0. Completed. First option verified. Second option A is 0, B is 1. A is 0 means it is open. B is 1, it is closed. Here open, current does not flow because in the open circuit. So bulb does not glow, so that's why it also 0. It also 0. Next condition, third truth table is A is closed, B is open. Here A is closed. Closed means current flow up to here. But B is open. So current does not flow plus 2 minus. So bulb does not glow. Okay. Last fourth option is A value 1, B value 1. That means both are closed. Automatically current flow bulb glow means 1. This is the final output pair. What gate AND gate. These gates also to check by using diodes This is the final output for AND gate Next basic gate is called NOT gate. NOT gate, this is the symbol of NOT gate. It is only one input, only one output. It is only one input, only one output. One input and one output. Only one input and one output. Here it is A, it is A. it is automatically not a bar called as not a, that means inverted. That means here 0, automatically it get 1. Here 1, it is 0. Only one input, only one output, that is called NOT gate. Now here the symbol, this is actually just the right AND gate. కానీ అక్కడ 2 inputs ఉంటేనే AND, only one input ఉందనుకో, it also NOT gate. Okay? Here this is symbol of OR gate. ఎప్పుడు 2 inputs ఉంటాయి, ఓన్లీ 1 input ఉందనుకో, ఇది కూడా ఏ గేట్ అవుతుంది? NOT gate. NOT gate means not a, that means a becomes a bar. 0 is the 1, 1 is the 0. I can explain truth table nana. Here a nana, here a bar. In the case logic gates are based on what algebra? Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra contain only 2 numbers, 0, 1. 0 means low, 1 means high. This is 0 is the only 1, 1 is the only 0. For example, itla undi na waveform. ఇది వేవ్ ఫామ్ నా, ఇది ఇన్పుట్ నా. అవుట్పుట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే ఇది హై, ఏమవ్వాలి? లో. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది లో, ఇదేమవ్వాలి? హై. ఇది హై, లో, ఇది నా ఇన్పుట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవుట్పుట్. సారీ, do you understand? This is output. That means input inverted to the output. ఇక్కడ హై ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? లో. లో ఉంటే హై, హై అంటే లో, నెక్స్ట్ లో ఉంటే హై. This is the input, that is the output of the NOT gate now. Output of the NOT gate. This can be explained by using switches now. Look here. Battery. This is the switch. Bulb nana. Here according to bulb, this is output nana, white. Okay? Here the switch nana, switch name A nana. Okay? According to first truth table, A value becomes what nana? 0 nana. A 0, this is open nana. Current flows plus to minus in this way nana. Here. That means this is open. A value 0. Automatically Y current will be flow, bulb will be go. Y value 1. For example, A value 1. That means it will be closed. Current always flow from shortest path nana. So that's why here not flow nana. Here not flow, it will be closed. Automatically it will be flow. Here plus 2 minus nana. But bulb does not glow. So that's why Y becomes 0. Y becomes 0. It can be explained by using transistor also nana. I explained by using transistor nana. What is the transistor output voltage formula? Yesterday I give VCC minus ICRL. ICRL. First option nana, verify first option. What is the A value? 0. A is called what nana? Input. Y is called what nana? Output. First A value 0, input voltage is low. Okay? Input voltage low means input current, base current nana, common emitter configuration IB 0. IB controlled by IC according to output characteristics. Output characteristics IB 0, IC also approximately 0. That write as V output is VCC minus 0, automatically VCC minus term neglect. That means this is high nana. Simply input is low, output is high. Input is low, output is high, inverted. So next option I verify nana. Input is high nana. Second option, input is high nana. Input high means nana. Input high means IB increase nana. IB controlled by IC. IB increase. IB 1 అయితే IC 1000 అవుతుందన్న. IB 2 అయితే IC 2000 అవుతుందన్న. IC increase more nana. That means V output formula is VCC minus ICRL. ఇది 5 అనుకో. IC పెరిగి నన్న. IC పెరిగి ఓకేనా. ఇది కూడా 5 అవుతుంది. 5 minus 5 ఎంత? 0. That means what nana? Low. That means input high, output is low, nana. That means NOT gate can be explained by using the transistor output characteristics also. Okay, this is the simply called as y equal to a bar. A bar called as not a. 0 itte ematudi 1, 1 itte ematudi 0. This gate is called NOT gate. Next I can explain universal gates. Now I discuss only basic 3 gates are explained, nana. That basic gates are called as OR gate. Another gate is AND gate. Another gate is NOT gate. Next gates are called as universal gates. Very important 2 marks bit, nana. What are the universal gates, nana? NOR and NAND. NOR and NAND. NOR and NAND gates are called as universal gates. Okay, nana? Universal gate, first gate is called what gate? NOR gate. NOR gate. Here, NOR gate means OR plus NOT 2. That means it is a combination of basic gates, nana. OR gate, NOT gate, combination is called NOR gate, nana. OR symbol, this is the symbol of OR, nana. Next, this is the symbol of NOT, nana. OR NOT. Here, 2 inputs, nana. A, B. Okay, it contains only one output. Why not? This is simply write as simple diagram, nana. Here, A, B. OR gate, nana. Small budipa bubble. Okay, this is the symbol of bubble pedithe appudu emaitindi OR kaadu NOR gate. This is the output, nana. Actually OR gate expression is a plus b, not add kada bar rayalana. A plus b bar. What is the boolean expression for output of the NOR gate, nana? A plus b bar. What is the final expression, nana? Here look here A, here look here B, here look here A plus B, here look here A plus B bar. Okay, this is the final output. Boolean algebra contains 2 numbers 0 0 0 1 1 0 inputs, nana. 1 1 ila ivagalaru. Ippudu check cheyandi. A plus B 0 plus 0 0 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1. Logical relation. High plus high. Here bar not 0 ఏమవుతుంది రివర్స్ అవ్వాలి 1 అవుతుంది 1 ఏమవుతుంది 0 1 ఏమవుతుంది 0 1 ఏమవుతుంది 0. This is the output of the what gate, nana? NOR gate. Important one. 1 0 0 0. What is the output of the OR gate, nana? OR gate 0 1 1 1. What is the output of AND gate, nana? AND gate గుర్తుందా మీకు? 0 0 0 1. This is the output of what gate? AND gate. This is the output of OR gate. This is the output of NOR gate. NOT gate output ఏముంటుంది? 0 అయితే 1 1 ఇస్తే 0. Okay, next I can explain NOR gate. After that I can explain NAND gate. I can explain next NAND gate. Here look here. NAND gate, here NAND gate also called as universal gate, NAND gate also called as universal gate. Here it is a combination of AND plus NOT, AND plus NOT. This is the circuit diagram, this is the symbol of AND, here A, here B, here look here, this is NOT, NOT. AND plus NOT, here Boolean expression is AND gate AB, AND plus NOT AB bar. What is the Boolean expression for NAND gate, y equal to A into B whole bar. Okay, here this is simply denoted here nana, this is and nana. Here two inputs are there, one is A, other one is B, small bubble. This is output nana, y equal to AB bar. ఇప్పుడు వేయడం వల్ల ఏ గేట్ అయిపోయింది, నాట్ గేట్. గుడిపా బబుల్, here bubble and plus not NAND, and plus not NAND. This can be, I draw the truth table nana, truth table. This is A, this is B, automatically y equal to AB. Here y equal to AB bar, AB bar. Look here nana, here NAND gate, inputs are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, here look here nana, A into B, 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 into 1 1. ఓకే ఓకే, ఇది ఏబీగా ఏబీ బార్ అంటే రివర్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. 0 ఉంటే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, 1. 0 అంటే 1, 0 ఉంటే 1, 1 ఉంటే 0. ఓకే, ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఫోర్ గేట్స్ అవుట్పుట్స్ నాన్న. ఫస్ట్ గేట్ ఈస్ అండ్ గేట్ అనుకుంటే 0 0 0 0 1. ఇది NAND గేట్ నాన్న, 1 1 1 1 0. ఆర్ గేట్ గుర్తుందా మీకు, ఆర్ 0 1 1 1. ఇదే గేట్ 6. నార్ చెప్తారా, నార్ అంటే రివర్సే కదా దీనికి, 1 0 0 0. ఇదే గేట్ నాన్న NAND. ఇదే గేట్ అండ్. ఈ 4 గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ గేట్ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి, 0 0 0 1. NAND గేట్ నాన్న 1 1 1 0. ఆర్ గేట్ నాన్న 0 1 1 1. నార్ గేట్ 1 0 0 0. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ అవుట్పుట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద 4 గేట్స్ నాన్న. మెయిన్లీ బేసిక్ గేట్స్ ఆర్ 3, 6 and not. What is the universal gates? Universal gates are 2, NOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate and NAND gate. NOR and NAND is a combination of gates nana. So that's why here, look here nana, NOR and NAND. Okay, next nana, I can explain a special gate nana, XOR gate. A special gate is called what gate nana, XOR gate nana. Special gate is called XOR gate. This is a combination of undo, ARU, not to. Once again, what is the special gate nana? Here XOR gate nana. This is a combination of undo, ARU, not to nana. This is the Boolean expression is y equal to A bar into B plus A into B bar. What is the Boolean expression for special gate nana? XOR gate, y equal to A bar into B plus A into B bar. A into B bar. This is the XOR gate nana. XOR gate is a special gate. It is a combination of and, or, not nana. It is the truth table nana. A. Next nana B. Next nana A bar. Next nana B bar. Okay, A bar. Next enti B bar. Next enti A bar into B. Next enti A into B bar. Last one enti y equal to A bar B plus AB bar. First inputs I already taken 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, every time I take same nana. Okay, this is the inputs nana. Here, look here. Look here nana. This is A nana. Reverse. Reverse means 1 1. This reverse nana. A bar reverse. 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. Okay. B bar nana. B reverse nana. B it will be reverse. 0 రాస్తే రాయాలి 1, 1 రాస్తే 0, 0 రాస్తే 1, 1 రాస్తే 0. ఇప్పుడు ఏ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, A బార్ ఇంటూ B. ఇదిగో ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. A బార్ ఇంటూ B. 0 ఇంటూ 1 అన్న 0, 1 ఇంటూ 1 1, 0 ఇంటూ 0 0. 1 into 0, 0. Completed. Next multiplied a into b bar. A into b bar means this one multiply. Okay. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Sorry. A into b bar. 1. Here 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Here 1. Here 0. 1 into 0, 0. Nana, A multiply cheyali. A into b bar. Okay. Next Nana, A into a bar into b plus a into b bar both are what? Add. This is the Boolean expression of our XOR gate Nana. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. This is the final output for XOR gate. XOR gate is a combination of OR and NOT gates, Nana. It is a special type of gate. Okay. Next, Nana, a small example book here. For example, A value 0, Nana. A value 0. Okay. What is the A bar value? 1. 0 reversal. A bar whole bar and దీనికి reverse. దీనికి reverse ఏమవుతుంది మళ్ళీ 0. Because the logic gates based on Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra contain only two numbers. One is 0, other one is 1. 0 means low, 1 means high. Here A value 0. A double bar also 0. That means simply called as A equal to A double bar. Okay. A equal to A double bar. For example, A plus B equal to A plus B double bar. Do you understand now? A plus B equal to A plus B double bar. Because A plus B inverse, A plus B inverse whole bar. A plus B whole bar inverse whole bar. Okay? So that's why Nana, A plus B equal to A plus B double bar. Okay. Next Nana, I give one example Nana. It will be solved. Find output Nana. This is the question. According to example, 3 gates are called OR gates because that is the symbol of what gate Nana? OR gate. What is the Boolean expression for OR gate Nana? Boolean expression for OR gate A plus B. Here this is the OR gate Nana. Both are add. That means W plus X. W plus X. This is the OR gate Nana. This is the OR gate Nana. It also W plus 1. Okay? But this is not a OR gate Nana. Sorry. This is AND gate. This is the symbol of what gate Nana? AND gate. AND gate means Boolean expression is y equal to A into B. Here A, here B. A into B. That means W plus X into W plus y. Okay, that is the output. That output will be solved. What is the output value? What is the output value? W plus X into W plus y. That output is W plus X into W plus y because AND is A into B. Okay, it will be multiplied. W into W plus W into y plus X into W plus X into y. Okay. Here in the first two terms which will be common, which will be 1 minute. W into W, W square. Okay. But Nana, 1 minute. Generally W into W. Look here, Nana. For example, W value 0, automatically 0 into 0, 0. For example, W value 1, 1 into 1, 1. That means W into W equal to W. Nana, W 0 anko. Finally 0 ne vachindi kada. Ante W into W write as W in the logical relation. Once again I repeat, Nana. Here, look here, Nana. For example, in the chapter only two numbers are there. For example, W is 0. ఇది కూడా 0 నే కదా. 0 into 0 ఎంత 0 అంటే W వచ్చింది. That means W into W, W plus look here W into Y plus X into W plus X into Y. Okay. In the two which will be common nana W. Here common this way. Em begindi 1 plus Y. Here also X W plus X into Y. Okay. Here 1 plus Y nana. Y contain two numbers 1 plus 0 over 1 plus 1. Look here 1 plus 0 1. Here 1 plus 1 high plus high nana. Okay 1. That means 1 plus Y value 1 plus Y value 1. So that's why 1 plus Y value simply write as 1 nana plus X into Y W plus X into Y. Okay. In the first two which will be common nana W common. Next nana W common this way 1 plus X nana here plus X into Y. Here 1 plus X also write as 1 plus X also write as X value for example 0 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus X write as for example X value 1. Here 1 plus 1 1 in the chapter high plus high. So that's why 1 plus X write as 1 plus X write as what nana 1 W into 1 plus X into Y. Finally we get output is W plus XY. This is the final exam question nana. This expression solve logically because in the chapter contain only two numbers. One is 0, other one is 1. 0 means low, 1 is high. Okay, 1 is high voltage. Okay, completed nana. Next day I explain some problems according to logic gates nana. Total syllabus next day completed.